बाकी फोड़ के सेटिंग करना हो, फोड़ के करना होगा, फोड़ के
म्यूजिक some moves. Okay, yeah, I'm not seeing the energy, I just want some moves. This is a superb song, right? Tagaru, yeah, everybody at least move.
लगता है पर्सनल ले लिया है, कंडक्ट चला रहा है, हम लोग को जाना चाहिए।
Yes, let's energy. Number 3.
इसको स्लो मोशन में शूट करना अच्छा रहेगा या फिर नॉर्मल?
Okay, this first. Play the music.
दो चार लोग बचा हुआ है, लोकल सब है, हम लोग है ना, सब चला गया, ऑलमोस्ट चला गया।
30, number 30, 30.
वो तो लग रहा है साला जरा ही जोश में है, जो नहीं तो घर से बाहर निकला गया है। जो गुलाबी टोपी वाला है ना, ऑरेंज वाला, वो डांस कर दूसरा लात मार दिया। वो जहाँ था सब लोग भागते थे वहाँ से। बुला के लाता हूँ।
Okay, next song.
Join our team ना? Our team.
Number 2. किसको आ रहा है number 2? सुबह
Betting with result?
Huh?
Betting for result?
No,
Yeah.
I am not. I know my picture is not there. They have DSL around us.
हाँ, they are.
Hello, everyone, please concentrate here. I will say a joke. One day, some foreigners came in the Varanasi and they saw curd and they asked the shopkeeper, what is this? The shopkeeper don't know the English, so he tried to explain him what is curd. He told, milk in night, morning is tight. Milk in night, morning is tight. That is curd. So that is curd only. Thank you. Any singers in the group? Anybody wants to sing a song? Anybody?
Yeah, bring out all your talent.
Anyone wants to sing a song or a crack a joke? Yeah.
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? अपने अपनी जो सुबह जो ढूंढ रहे थे, 4 दिन से घर नहीं आया, उसमें कुछ कर दीजिए कि बहुत मिस करते हैं, आया नहीं, घर पे आ जाओ।
No worries.
Why this cola very D? Why this cola very D?
No problem.
Moon color white background, night color dark. Why this cola very D? Why this cola very D? Thank you so much.
Wants to perform? Come. You want to sing a song? Yeah.
And not just for kids. Anybody is welcome.
She forgot.
You can
ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ ಚಂದದ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರ್ಯಾರೆ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಲು ಬಂದರೆ ತಟ್ಟನೆ ಹಾರಿ ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವೆ ಏತಕ್ಕೆ ಪೋರಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನನ್ನಲೆ ತೋರುವೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಹೂವಿನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಏನದು ಗುಟ್ಟು ಬಾಬಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಡುವೆನು ನಾನು ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ದೋಸೆ ಸಿಹಿ ಸಿಹಿ ಜೇನು.
Thank you. Very nice. Lovely poem. Have you heard about jalebi? Do you know about jalebi? Jalebi. Yeah, jalebi bhai. Yeah. So jalebi is sweet, national sweet. You know, our national sweet is jalebi. Yeah. So another joke is also there. One day, some foreigners came in Varanasi and jalebi was there. They asked me, the shopkeeper, what is this sweet? So he don't know English. He tried to explain him. He told, this is round, 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 stop. This is jalebi. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
See, what's your name? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎರಡೆರಡು ಲೈನ್ ನೀನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಅದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಪೋಯಮ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್, ಅದರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ
ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ
ಚಂದದ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ
ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ
ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಯಾರೇ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಲು ಬಂದರೆ ತಟ್ಟನೆ ಹಾರಿ ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವೆ ಏತಕ್ಕೆ ಪೋರಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನನ್ನಲೆ ತೋರುವೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಹೂವಿನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಏನದು ಗುಟ್ಟು ಬಾಬಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಡುವೆನು ನಾನು ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ದೋಸೆ ಸಿಹಿ ಸಿಹಿ ಜೇನು.
ಪುಟ್ಟ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಚಿಟ್ಟೆದು.
मेरे ऊपर नहीं आ रहा है.
ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರು
समझाया था.
So you can just go to that art home. You know, they have few things you can just collect it, and you know you can do the painting
For kids.
for kids. Okay, just go there. Like there is a, you got the gift vouchers, right? Next to the gift vouchers, there are some clay models available. You can collect them. 01 next to that Sony, right? There is a one. There, you can just go there, collect it, come back. It is mine. No. You can just go, collect, come back. Okay, so I want just few people. You can we will just shoot you. You can just tell about like, you know, why did you register for this photothon? You know, you can just come stand.
Why did you sign up for Photoshop?
You wanna try it, bro?
We have upcoming Sony workshop at 9 a.m.
You can just say that why did you sign up? Yeah, you can just stand. I'll just give a mic. You can just say few words like why did you sign up? I signed up. Maybe whatever, you know. No, you come this side. Yeah.
Health checkup starts at 9:30. Stall number 2930.
No, next to that, sorry. That photothon is there, no? That Akshay Kalpa is
Next
there. no?
one. Next one.
Yeah.
70.
There is. You can just 18, go
18. 18.
आपको जितना जीना है उतना ही जियो. तो व्हाइट ट्रक से जो पहले क्यों मरना है? पहले क्यों मरना है? मरना तो नहीं है. पहले क्यों मर जाना है? क्या मर जाएंगे? यस, जितने दिन में जी लो. एक सेकंड पहले भी नहीं मरेंगे, ठीक है? एक सेकंड पहले नहीं मरेंगे जब तक हमें जीना है, ठीक है? और जब डिफेंस ज्वाइन करते हो तो ये सिखा इसको मार के मरेंगे नहीं, ठीक है? मरेंगे तो सही रहोगे, मरेंगे नहीं. उसके बाद में हम जिंदा रहेगा. आपके ऐसे मर जाए मरेंगे तो सही रहोगे, मरेंगे नहीं.
ये भी ऐसे दिखता है. Why you signed up for this photothon? You have to tell our practice.
Because I love running.
where I'm into the running so and also I love photography. So once I achieve so I can explain many of the events. Like photography was my hobby. I studied in military. So I participated for that and I signed up. Thank you.
Can you tell some question or I should start? I just sign up to enjoy the moment because I enjoy the group of my colleagues. We are from Air Force and our community comes here and we have a good saying, जब तक हस्ती जिंदा है तब तक मस्ती जिंदा है, नहीं तो मान के चलिए आप लोग जबरदस्ती जिंदा है.
लाइन गलत बोल दिया भाई ने.
I thought it is like an event, but when I came here, it was like a walk. So yeah, it went well. I also enjoyed Mumbai a lot, but unfortunately, I didn't get in those 100 people. Then also, yeah, I enjoyed. Thank you. They'll be having more events. Yeah.
Last time.
Hi. So I signed up for this because it's one of a kind experience. I have been to marathons, I have been to walkathons, but this is one of a kind experience for me. So yeah.
Just check the product voice.
It's a photo.
I joined this event because there should be a reason to wake up early.
Next.
This was one of them. And we came to Bangalore just to explore.
सीधा लीजिए.
This was our first trip.
सिंगल का ले रहे हैं ना तो सीधा लीजिए.
No. We had a work from home job, so we explored. So we came to Bangalore to explore. So it was a good experience. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Tiwari, and we signed up for this photothon and we know giving Sunday is not a joke. So we came here for spreading health awareness also and we enjoy each and every moment. मैं एक कुछ लाइन सुनाना चाहूँगा कि मंजिल तो मिल ही जाएगी, भटकते भटकते ही सही, गुमराह तो वह है जो घर से निकलेगी नहीं.
क्या बात है, तिवारी छा गए आप.
Hi everyone, myself Freddy. We regularly run. I think Justin sir organizes they have a monthly run. But when it comes to photothon, it's really special because